Here is the cinematic view of our house design. Hello, and welcome to the CIVILSETS YouTube channel. Today, we are going to review 1174 square feet plot area. While large buildings make the biggest architectural statement, the tiny house trend has made its own mark. The challenge was to create a house design with all modern concepts. The house has 2 balconies with terrace garden. At the front section, we have beautiful plants. There is parking for the bikes and bicycles, and the front main gate made up of steel, which separates the outside surroundings. The ground floor has a living area with dining and bedroom with common bathroom and kitchen. The living area is of 11 by 12 feet, and the dining area is of 10 feet 10 inches by 8 feet 9 inches. The bathroom is of good size with 5 by 8 feet. The first bedroom is of 11 by 10 feet. The bedroom has beautiful false ceiling design with connected base garden area for morning and evening sit-outs with your family. The small kitchen is of 8 by 7 feet and 10 inches. For any small space, getting organized is essential. When space comes at a premium, you can't afford to waste any of it, even the hidden space inside your cabinets. The house has outside stairs too, for the case of renting purpose of the first floor. So there is easy going for the first floor without disturbing anyone. The first floor living area has 11 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 3 inches. The second bedroom is of 11 by 10 feet with flower shape, false ceiling design, enhancing the beauty of the bedroom. The common bathroom is of 5 by 8 feet with shower. The third room you can use as guest room or kids room. The area is 10 by 8 feet with attached balcony of 8 by 8 feet, having balcony sit-out arrangements too. The stairs for the terrace is provided on the living area. The terrace has a garden with 2 table chair for sit-out and proper arrangement for the open barbecue options too. That's all for today. Subscribe to CIVILSETS YouTube channel for latest house designs. Make sure to like, share and comment below.